Hi friends, uh, today I am explaining about that bug life cycle or defect life cycle. In this chart, you have to see here bug defect life cycle. First, uh, it is in new status. Once we have created the defect, it is a new status, and it tester will assign to developer, and it is once respective POCs developers we will assign a name. We will give that assigned POCs. Okay, once it is assigned POC, then a defect will be open. Next, open status. Okay, a developer will be review the defect. If it is stages of this defect, a duplicate, rejected, differing, not a bug. These kind of things are there. If already anyone is raised same defect earlier, it is a duplicate defect. And if any duplicated and rejected, okay, if it is not comes under observation or defect, then it will be rejected. uh, if you have don't have a time to fix this issue in our releases, or then it will be moved to deferred. Okay, if it is a not a bug, then it is a change to not a bug. Once developer is analyzed this these four things, and if our observation is it is a valid, then developer will be fix the code. Once it is code is fixed, right, then again it is the next step is pending retest. Okay, uh, once developer is fixed the code, and it will be deployed to test, and once pending to retest, right, here we need to check our scenario with this it is expected result and actual results are it is matching, and again we are testing on this, again retesting this uh, retesting this scenario in tester. Okay, once retest is if it is a failed same issue, it is again occur, then defect will be reopen, and it in open status. Again it is same cycle. Defect will be checking on that one. Why again it will be issue is coming, developer is reviewing this defect again, and once it is, if any minor changes are there, then again change those minor changes and fixed and pending to retest in the same cycle. It will be repeated. Once it is retest is completed, then we are verifying the our validation, our precondition, and our expected result, description, everything is matching with our scenario. Then if it everything is good, then we are closing the defect. Okay, this is here some examples I am explaining. Here functional bugs. If it is a functional bugs is there, right? If it is a login failure, a valid username and password fails to log the user into the application. For example, entering into username as user123 and password 123, it displays an error even though if it is credentials are correct. This is a login failure errors. Okay, and incorrect calculations. The system calculates total percentage incorrectly. Example, a shopping card shows us in the total $49.50, but the correct total is $50. It is a percentage issue. Percentage calculations issues are there. Okay, if it is a broken link, clicking a hyperlink leads at 404 error or redirected to an uh, unintended page. Example, a contact us line link directly homepage instead of this contact form. If it is hyperlink, it is not working, means that is a login. It is a failure only. Next, UI bugs, user interface. Okay, alignment issue. Okay, buttons or text are misaligned, making the interface look unprofessional. Example, a submit button overlaps with the input field. Sometimes if submit button and it is a input button overlapped, that is it will be alignment, it will be not clear. User, it will be not understand which is submit button, which is a input button. Okay. Missing an element, a required element like a cancel button is missing. Yeah. Sometimes if a modal window opens but there is a no close button to exit, if you open that any button, right, it is asking here this is a close button. Okay. But that is also, it is a user interface issues only. Inconsistent styling, fonts, colors or icons vary between pages. One page uses the blue button for submit, blue color button submit, while another page is the green color button. It is not, user will be not understand only one color we have to use. uh, it's submit button or any input button or anything. Okay. This is also user interface bugs. Now coming to performance bugs. If it is a performance, slow page load. Some a web page takes too long to load. Example, a product page takes more than 10 seconds to display the content. And it will be taking it will be uh, slow page load. Okay. Application crash, the app crashes when too many users access in simultaneously. For example, an e-commerce site becomes unresponsive unresponsive during the sale event. If it is Amazon sale or Flipkart sale is there, right, at that time too many users are using this Amazon app and Amazon website and Flipkart website. It will be sometimes app also it is not opening, crashes. Okay. That performance bugs. Security bugs, access control issue. Unauthorized access, users to can access the restricted areas. For example, a non-admin user access the admin panel via direct URL. If it is a non-admin person, it is open that any security uh, security region apps or anything. But admin panel via direct URL, the admin it is different, non-admin is different. Okay. This is also security bug. Sensitive data exposure, sensitive information like passwords are visible plain text. If it is a password you are entering appear the unmasked network request on the screen. Whenever entering the password it will be coming as stars. But if you are not coming the stars, it is visible means that is a security bugs. Okay. And next, integration bugs, that is API failures. The application fails to retrieve data from external services. Example, whether app shows us the data unavailable instead of current weather. Okay. And incorrect data mapping, data from one system is displayed incorrectly another. A user name appears null, integrated reporting tool. If you any of the tool it is showing that we are entering the name, it is showing as a null. That is a integration bugs. Okay, these are the examples I have explained on that one. Bug defect life cycle. If you are interested this video, please like, share, comment. And one more thing, I am if you are interested any Excel or advanced Excel or any VBA macros, if you are interested, I will share you the my number uh, in WhatsApp. If you are interested, please contact me. I will